TNGTE English Senior, February 2020. Second paper, condensation. 5 seconds. Comments. Speaking on the demand for grant relating to agriculture in the Legislative Assembly, an honorable member said, "Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to touch upon a few words. First of all, so far as distribution of agricultural manure is concerned, I want to know the policy of the government in regard to this matter. Some time back, the government were giving some aid for compost making. I request that they should think of reviving the compost subsidy scheme. I would like to point out that the supply of manure is very short in our state. We do not also get farm yard manure in sufficient quantities. Some ryots are still conservative and they do not take to chemical manures. They will be glad to have the compost pits revived. I think the government of Tamil Nadu must move the government of India in this matter and see that liberal grants and subsidies are given for this purpose. Then, with regard to supply of seeds, whenever the ryots want the seeds, they are not given in time. All sorts of red tapeism is still there. If a riot goes to the demonstrator, he asks the riot to go to the district agricultural officer and then to the deputy director of agriculture, who is somewhere in some other district, and by the time all the formalities are gone through, the riot gets vexed. Even if he undertakes all this trouble, he does not get the seats, and even if he gets the seats, he does not get them in time. Then I would like to say that the collection of dry leaves from the forests must be encouraged. I understand that the forest department is creating troubles in this regard. It does not allow the poor ryots to go to the forests to collect dry leaves during dry seasons. This is also a serious problem and something should be done by the government in this respect. I would request the forest department to be very liberal in permitting ryots to collect dry leaves. Then, in regard to selection of areas for community development and national extension service, I am sorry to note that the government are not concentrating their attention on the selection of underdeveloped and undeveloped areas. I am afraid politics plays a very important role in this matter. I am sure the Honorable Minister will go into this matter and concentrate his attention on selecting undeveloped and underdeveloped areas in each district. I hope this point will be borne in mind. Then I want to deal with the question of hire purchase system in regard to pump sets. I understand that the government of Tamil Nadu have not availed themselves of the loan given by the government of India for this purpose, when the other state governments are availing themselves of this opportunity. It is not known why our government have not so far availed themselves of this opportunity given by the government of India. If they had accepted this offer and given these pump sets on loan or hire purchase system, it would have gone a long way in increasing food production. With regard to plant protection, it has been said that sprayers are distributed, but in actual practice, we do not get these sprayers, and if they are not supplied in adequate numbers and in time, we will not be able to tackle the plant diseases. In this connection, I suggest that mobile vans equipped with pesticides may be engaged in large numbers and maize trees may be made to go to interior villages to tackle these plant diseases. Elaboration 5 seconds. Comments. Number 1. Sealed tenders are invited for the construction of a boys' hostel in Shah Wallace compound, Egmore. Work to be completed in 1 year. Tender schedules and drawings can be had from the office of Messrs. Vasan and Murthy, Consulting Engineers, Casa Major Road, Egmore, Chennai, up to 3 p.m. on 3rd March 2018 on payment of rupees 800. Earnest money deposit required is rupees 10,000. Completed tenders will be received up to 3 p.m. on 5th March 2018 and they will be opened at 4 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. The above mentioned consulting engineers reserve the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason. Draft tender notice to be issued by the consulting engineers. Number 2. Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation, Nandanam, Chennai invites applications for appointment as senior officer finance by direct recruitment. The candidate must be a chartered accountant. He should have a minimum experience of 1 year in fields like banking industry. Minimum age 21 and maximum age 30. Candidates registered with employment exchanges are eligible to apply. Scale of pay for the post is rupees 60,000 to 2 lakhs. A written test will be held in Chennai on 30th August 2018. The exact venue and time will be intimated at the time of issuing hall ticket. Applications should be sent not later than 2nd July 2018. Draft advertisement to be issued by the Managing Director. Number 3. Draft a letter to the editor of the Hindu on the following lines. There is acute low voltage during night time in 65th Street of 10th sector of KK Nagar. Residents are not able to operate any electric gadget. They are not able to sleep as fans turn very slowly. The matter was brought to the notice of the Assistant Engineer of Electricity Board of KK Nagar, but no action has been taken. The concerned authorities are requested to look into the matter and do the needful. Number 4. On Wednesday evening, a 40-year-old woman, a resident of Manali, was travelling on a motorcycle with her husband. The couple was going to Stanley Medical College Hospital where the woman's uncle had been admitted. When they reached under the Parthasarathi bridge near Mint, they got stuck behind a funeral procession. The husband who was driving the vehicle tried to find his way around. At this time, a Metropolitan Transport bus hit their motorcycle from behind. The couple fell down. The woman was run over by the bus and she died on the spot. The driver of the bus is absconding. The police have registered a case and are investigating. Draft an eyewitness account of the accident.